let's go ahead and talk about addition and subtraction. So the first example we're looking at is perform the operations below. A bar 2.4310 added to bar 1.2063. So the addition follows the same pattern. Like I said earlier, the reason why the bar sign is added to a certain number is because that represents a negative number that operates only for that number and does not concern other numbers there. For example, the negative sign on top of 2 is only for 2 and not for any of these numbers. It doesn't affect any of these numbers. This negative sign here on top of 1 affects only 1 and does not affect any of these numbers. So let's go ahead and add. What is 0 plus 3? That will give you 3. 1 plus 6 will give you a 7. You can see that I'm adding them normally. 3 plus 0 will give you 3, and 4 plus 2 will give you a 6. So you notice that the negative sign is not affecting them. So you put your decimal now. What is bar 2 plus bar 1? Is the same thing as saying minus 2 plus minus 1, and of course that will give you minus 2 minus 1, that will give us minus 3, or simply bar 3. That is your answer. I hope you are following. Like I said, please give a thumbs up, and if you have not followed us, if you have not subscribed, please smash the subscription button, and so that you can get our videos as soon as we drop them. Let's go to the next question. And of course, if you have any question, you can feel free to drop it in the email showing on your screen right now. Let's go to the next question. We have bar 6.8319 added to bar 2.1818. So how do we add it? This is very, very easy. I'm almost sure that some of you are adding them in your heart right now. What is 8 plus 9? That will give you 17. So we'll write a 7 and we take 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will give us a 3. Now, what is 3 plus 8? That will give us an 11. We write 1, we take 1 over here. What is 1 plus 8? That's a 9. 9 plus 1, that's a 10. We write 0, we carry 1. Now, that 1, remember, what is 1 here? Minus 6. That will give us minus 5. Okay, just like saying plus 1 minus 6, that will give us minus 5. What is minus 5 plus minus 2? That will give us minus 7, or better still, bar 7. Another way to look at it is simply say, what is minus 6 minus 2? That's minus 8. And what is 1 minus 8? That will give us minus 7, or bar 7 as it were.